Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your sales. Now this is very important and this is compulsory. Why? Now first of all, I believe you already attended this stage 1, okay, or else you won't be watching this video. So I believe you already attended stage 1 and for some reason you've really learned some of the topics here and you apply it into your business. And what happened next is that if you want to attend the stage 2, you need to update some sales into your Go-eCommerce portal. Okay, so this stage 2, that is what we're going to cover, where you have 9 modules, but you can choose only either one of this module. Okay, so it might be a different trainers. Other trainers will be covering other topics. I could be covering like database and email marketing, or website, or Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, or Shopee, Lazada. So different trainers will have a different date and time. So it depends on your preferences. Okay, which are the dates that you want to attend. Okay, but again, you only can choose either one module. All right, so let us get started. So first of all, as usual, like the previous videos, that's where you want to go and scan the QR code using your mobile. And if you're not on mobile, you're on laptop or desktop, go to this URL, which is nieltan.com/go-ecommerce. Okay, you're gonna pause this video, go ahead, open that link or scan the QR code. Once you got that done, you will be directed to the login page. Okay, put in your email address and password. As usual, if you have issue, maybe you forgot the password, just click on the forgot password. If you forgot the email, just let me know, and then we will check it out. What is your email? Okay, if there's no issue, just click on login. Okay, once you're logged in, go ahead and click on track business, and here you may want to click on my business, or you may actually see this page. Okay, for some cases, if you don't see this page, you just click on my business. All right, once you click on my business, you will be directed to this page, and what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. Okay, scroll down and you can see this. Now here what you do is there are 2 options, offline and online. So your sales is coming from offline or is it from online? Offline means you have like a cafe or physical brick and mortar business and you receive cash. Okay, that's where you may want to select offline. But let's say if you're online, maybe you're selling on Shopee, you're selling on Lazada, you're selling on social media. Okay, let's say I'm going to select on Lazada. Okay, and then I'm going to select the date. Okay, let's select the date. So you can actually just choose the date. Okay, for example, for the past whole month of July, I can just select 31. Okay, the whole month of July, select 31. And then the total amount of this July is, example, you generated, let's say 50,000. Okay, 50,000 ringgit. Okay, and then you just put in your description. So let's say I'm going to put here selling keyboards. Okay, keyboards and accessories. Okay, there are some participants in the past actually asked, hey Niel, will 𝐿HDN actually track our sales? And then they just come and ask us more questions and text us more. No, by right, 𝐃𝐢𝐧𝐤𝐬 will not okay pass your information or your data to any third party or even within the department. Okay, so 𝐿HDN is not under 𝐃𝐢𝐧𝐤𝐬, so no data of yours will be reviewed to 𝐿HDN, okay, to any other party. Only happens within 𝐃𝐢𝐧𝐤𝐬 department only. So there's nothing much to worry. So 𝐿HDN should not be able to know about this unless Lazada and Shopee, maybe you got sales over there. Maybe 𝐿HDN might actually get access to that details. So here again, you need this sales amount. Put in whether it's 10 ringgit, also can, 20 ringgit, 50 ringgit, 100 ringgit, 1,000, 2,000, any amount is also acceptable. So the higher amount means the higher chance for you to join the stage 2 and also get selected as our next success story. Okay, so if you have expenses, you can add in the expenses, otherwise you can just keep it. So here, in order for you to increase your sales, that's why in stage 1 I actually talk about the organic traffic, right? So if you want to watch that video, I'm going to have another video. Just go and watch the video on how to increase your organic traffic, okay, which is the tag 5 friends, like, share, comment, and etc. So if you apply that method during your live streaming, I believe you will increase your following and as well as your leads, okay, your lead generation by a lot. Okay, you can save a lot on your Facebook ads, your Google ads, your YouTube ads, and any ads, paid ads campaign. Okay, give it a try. That's stage 1. A lot of people have tried that. It works very well, and I've shown you, which you already participated, and you can see that I get a lot of people comment, tag 5 friends, like and share and comment. Okay, so apply the same thing to your business. And in stage 2, that's where I'll cover more, like Facebook ads, Google ads, and etc. Okay, that's a paid campaign. Stage 1, do the organic. Stage 2, you do the paid ads campaign. All right. So once you're done, update your sales. Next, let us go and click on more and then just log out. Okay. So yeah, that is all for this video. If you have any question, drop me a WhatsApp message. If you have an agency, a corporate, or NGO or association, let me know so that I can provide a customized, laser-focused content training for your team. For example, if an agency, I just do a topic that's related to your agency needs and wants. Example, if you want to focus more on Facebook, I'll talk more about Facebook. Okay. So yeah, that's all for now. Drop me a WhatsApp message if you need help, or ask your questions, leave your questions in the WhatsApp group. And yeah, that's all for now. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.